Alright, so this is my fourth video. It's called Math Playground. I found it I was just searching websites and this popped up and I thought it'd be kind of neat. Now, I will say it is not for all grade levels. As you can see, it's primarily meant for 1st to 6th. However, I'm able to use it with my students just because the academic level of my students is in this range for all of them. So I found this to be really kind of fun and neat. It kind of reminds me of another program I use at school, but this is just another resource I could use. It's also a good way for the kids just to take a break from work while they're at the computer, play a little game and whatnot. And since we use Google Meet, I can just put it on the screen for them, help them get here. They can pick a game and play it. But as you can see, they have all different content areas. They have adding and subtracting, multiplying, dividing, shapes and graphs. They also just have some fun little games like with robots. They have like finding pathways, which would be really good for some of them. I already know that some of my students are going to lean more towards the action games and the sports games and the racing games. I can think of 3 of them off the top of my head. It not only has good learning games, but I think it also just has some fun games for them to just take a break from school. I mean, we're all stuck on the computer all day long. We all need that little break. Yes, we all need breaks from the screen, but this is also like what I would do with this, and what I probably will do with this is like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, take a break, play a game, do something for a minute. Just something to get their minds off of doing schoolwork. So I could give them a math game, or I could just say, go play a fun game. I'll tell one of my students, go play the racing game. I know you'll like it, and so on and so forth. It does have its academics benefits, but it also just has benefits in general. I mean, we all need these breaks where we can just play a mindless game for 5-10 minutes. So I would highly suggest this. Obviously, though, if you're more of a high school teacher, I don't know, in the general ed setting, I don't know if this would be as helpful to you. But definitely if you're in the elementary school setting, or if you teach students with disabilities like I do in a self-contained classroom whose academic abilities might be around this level. So, yeah, it's a really cool game. I highly suggest it.